The story starts in May 27th, 2016 when I make my first YouTube video. This is my first YouTube video. Never done YouTube videos before. Talk a bit about myself. Well, I am on a gap year. I have gone to university, graduated from biochemistry. I do it for another 6 months and these videos are rubbish. And then I delete them. But why do I delete them? Because that's when I started my master's. And my master's was the beginning of my true academic journey to my PhD and beyond. And in this channel, I'll be going through how science helped me. Ever since my master's, I've been on a trajectory to help people. And guess what? February 2021 is when I started uploading again on YouTube, and this time it is different.
Doing science keeps your options broad in terms of what degrees you want to carry out. People are always asking me, Jubair, how do you stay so motivated? Jubair, how did you manage to publish so many papers during your PhD? Although nobody has actually asked me these questions.
In my head, right, my next morning process is making my bed. This gives me some sort of routine in my life, and without making my bed, I feel uncomfortable. Making this bed takes a bit longer than I'm used to. As you can see, it is a rather large bed, and it requires me to hop around and apply my daily skincare routine, which is my trusted Astral moisturizing cream and some body shop lotion that I use around the eyes to get rid of dry skin.
Now I make videos on productivity, on study tips, on how science can help you, life in London,
aptly named the Millennium Bridge, but had to be closed because of numerous reports that it was wobbly. This bridge is also featured in one of the later Harry Potter movies, where it is destroyed by Death Eaters.
and technology.
And camera, and this is amazing. This is the reason why I bought the A7C, is because it's much lighter. Usually lightness is not a problem for me because I kind of prefer the bigger grip and stuff, but once you've got big lens on it, so as you can imagine, something like this, which is huge, this is a 24-70mm lens by Sigma.
So my YouTube journey really has been over 5 years, but with a massive gap in the middle. I have recently re-uploaded some of my old videos so you can go and see them and see the progress that I've made from that part of my life, which was around 22, to now, which is 27. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see my journey from then to now, when I did YouTube as a joke, but now I'm trying to help people. You too can use the principles that I use to help myself excel my career and become a better person that is able to help people. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.